So I'm Yaniv, CEO and founder of Alphabiome. I'm also a researcher at MIT, and for the past 20 years, I've been looking at how AI can be used in order to find order in the chaos. So this is what we are doing at Alphabiome. We are using this technology in order to revolutionize the way biomarkers are being discovered and commercialized. Quickly, what are biomarkers? Biomarkers are the signals that our body leaves behind. These are tiny genetic fragments that can be used in order to predict the development of diseases. They can be used to diagnose the medical condition, and they can be used in order to determine what is going to be the most effective treatment. Now, these last biomarkers are of extreme importance, not just to patients, but also to pharma companies who pay hundreds of millions per each. And the reason is that they are of immense value both for patients, of course, that can benefit from the best treatment, but also they are the key for pharma in order to both extend the patent exclusivity for their existing drugs by detecting a cohort of likely responders, as well as for developing a new kind, a new generation of drugs. And this is a $50 billion market. There are dozens of deals every year where biomarkers are being purchased across many different therapeutic areas, from oncology to degenerative nervous systems, gastro, and others. Now, all of these biomarkers, there is one thing in common to them, and that is that they are mostly coming from the host genome, the human DNA. You're looking for a mutation, a bad corrupt gene, and so on. And this is what the vast majority of the biomarkers are based on. And we do something profoundly different. We can detect biomarkers from the microbiome, these trillions of creatures living inside us and on our bodies. And we have already discovered more than 100,000 novel biomarkers that can be used to predict efficacy of drugs using our proprietary technology. And these are all coming from the microbiome. We spent 2 years proving that these biomarkers are actually of value to predict drug efficacy. We did it on cows, on animals. This was the world's largest clinical study where we used these technology and these biomarkers in order to predict drug efficacy for cows. There are drugs for cows. And we demonstrated that we can triple the effect of these commercially available leading drugs. It was demonstrated on 30,000 cows all around the world. It was published in already several peer-reviewed scientific studies. And a year ago, we expanded to humans, demonstrated the same thing. We can predict efficacy for drug for IBD patients, Crohn's and colitis, going from 32% efficacy to 67, so doubling the efficacy for humans, real data, real patients. We signed an agreement to get this IBD data, but also recently signed another agreement to get similar data for childhood obesity and atopic dermatitis. And we're looking for partnerships with pharma companies, with blockbusters that are looking for biomarkers, with insurance providers and payers who look to optimize treatments for their patients, focusing mainly Europe, US, Japan, Korea, and Singapore. So thanks.